Welcome to a new YouTube video, guys. This video is called God Broke Me and then He Built Me Up the Right Way. And I want to share with you guys what happened to me earlier this year. 2025 has been a great year for me. And by the way, I hope you guys can hear me well. There's a lot of noise around, dogs screaming and stuff, but I'm on the rooftop of my apartment complex right now here in Curacao. But yeah, man, God broke me so He could build me back up the right way. And let me take you guys back so I can explain this to you guys correctly. Back then, you guys remember I was doing coaching and stuff, and coaching was doing good. I was making a lot of money with even though making money wasn't really like the goal that I had with it. But it was I helped a lot of people successfully. My clients were happy and all that. But at the same time, when I was doing my own coaching, when I stepped away to do that, my business started crumbling. And my business started to fail because I didn't have the right people and the right systems in place yet to be able to step back completely. My business needed me, and every time when I stepped away, it just started breaking, start crumbling. And that was the moment when, I had to make a decision. After like a year of coaching, I had to make a decision of, okay, who do I want to be? Do I want to continue coaching and help other people build their business and all that while myself, my business is failing? I'm not making money with the same things I'm trying to teach other people to make money with. Do I want to be that guy? Or do I want to be the guy that will step back and will show to himself, prove to himself that he is that type of guy that can run a successful business, do it, um, even without like making money off other people back, all that stuff, and then come back and help people genuinely. But the moment that I had that conversation with myself and that I chose to just let go of coaching, let go of helping other people, and start building my own castle first, that was also the moment when my business was in one of the hardest spots it was in, like ever, man. So in that tough spot, I chose to let go of that other income, let go of helping others, and just focus on helping myself first, me against me. You know what I'm saying? And that's exactly what I did, man. It was tough. It was a battle, months and months and months. I just kept trying to go forward. You put a step forward, but then every time you just get hit and you go 5 steps back, and it just kept going like that all the time. And in the meanwhile, of course, you keep learning, you keep growing. So I took my motivation and my determination out of that. But I came to a certain point where it was just getting a lot, man. It was just under a lot of heat, a lot of pressure, a lot of stress, worry, doubt, all that stuff just started kicking like crazy. And I went outside one night in my apartment complex when I was in Spain. I just sat there, and usually you see over the sea, but now it was pitch dark, so you couldn't even see the sea. But I was looking at the stars, and I was just talking to God out loud, just me alone, sitting out there, like maybe 12, like midnight, talking with God, and man, He responded that night, man. You responded, and as He responded, tears started to flow. Tears started to just pour out of me, and I couldn't even hold it, man. And I can't even put it in words how it feels when your maker, your creator, the God of the entire universe just takes your hand, grabs you, puts you under His wing, and walks forward with you and just shows you a better way. He started to transform me. And after that day, in my worst days, like you could say those are my worst days if you look at the position I was in, but they were my very, very best days because I was just having so much joy every single day in my purpose and my job and what I was doing. I started to treat other people way better, way differently. I started to treat myself differently. I just saw the world like in a whole nother lens. And I just left all these worldly desires and worldly things just behind because I got a whole new perspective on life, man. And that's exactly how God works. God chooses the underdog. He chooses the most unlikely moment, and He chooses the most unlikely person to succeed, to show His power. And you guys have to let us sink in, man. It's just what He did with David, right? David had to go up against Goliath. He was just like a youth. He even put up to the battlefield, no armor, nothing, and God made it work. And God always makes it work. And that's why right now, I'm going back to YouTube with something much deeper, much more profound than just what I was doing before. Right now, I want to really share my experience with you guys that I have with business, share my experience with my success and my failures, my faith, and how it's working for me through my life and all the things that I'm experiencing. Really taking you guys with me on my walk with Christ, my walk with Jesus, my walk with God. And I know there's a lot of you, of course, and Even if I can speak to one person, even if it's you listening to me right now, if I can help you, then I know already that I did a great job, and that's what I'm doing it for. It's not about views or content or cloud, none of that stuff anymore, man. I don't even care about it anymore. Right now, also, after all that stuff, God was really speaking to me already, like many times before, but I never could really, really understand what He was trying to tell me when He said, don't worry, don't stress, don't fear, because I still felt like I was in control, right? And it's up to me to do something. Until that day on that bench when I surrendered. And when I surrendered, I stopped doing it my way. And I said, Lord, it's now it's your way. Now it's whatever you want to do, whatever, however you say it goes, that's how it goes now. When I did that, things just, man, I don't even know how to put it into words for you guys, man. I don't even know how to put it into words. That's why I'm gonna continue to make these videos. I'm gonna get better at it every week as well. If you guys like this type of content, if it's resonating with you, just like and subscribe. Stay tuned. I'm gonna do weekly uploads now with a whole new outlook on it. Like I said, really trying to help you guys as much as possible, sharing what I went through, sharing the things that I'm going through, and yeah, man, so we can continue to grow together, my brothers and sisters. So of course I want to help you, and right now the business is going better. Seeing success, the profits are going very well. I'm very happy with the team that I built, the people that I have around me. The systems are just amazing, man. So I'm very happy with that. And I'm gonna keep pushing on that. In the coming months, we're gonna see the fruit of my labor, and it's been a long, long road, man. Real like blood, sweat, and tears, long road, but it was all worth it, man. In the end, it all brought me to Christ. It all brought me to God. It all brought me to become the person I need to be, and that's why right now I'm not even the same person that I was before. I'm just reborn. I'm just a different person. Uh, you know, I'm gonna show you guys with the fruits. I'm gonna show you guys with the videos. I'm gonna help you guys, and we're gonna see. We're gonna see where it's gonna go, man. God told me to make these videos also, by the way. That's why I'm back on YouTube. For me, I just took a break and I enjoyed my break. I enjoyed not being on social media, not caring about what people say, think, all that stuff, But now I broke free. I don't even care what people think or say, none of that stuff. I don't even care about it. So that's why I'm here truly to help, truly to share love, share goodness, share lessons. Some a little bit deeper than what most do, a little bit rawer as well, but not even comparing myself to anyone anymore and just doing something different, bro. All praise to God, Even now with all of this, with the business going well, I also realized, bro, none of this is mine. Like in the end, we're all gonna die. We're gonna go into our deathbed, but who's gonna be able to take their gold with them? Who's gonna be able to take none of the money or anything that you did in this period? You cannot take anything with you, right? The pharaohs tried it, but it don't work, man. You can't take nothing with you. So the true treasures for me in this life are my experiences, are the people around me, are the things that I go through, and it's the beautiful things that are happening in my life, man. Switch my priorities, switch my focus. I'm gonna share a lot with you guys. If you like this video, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Like I said, like, subscribe, and leave a comment when you guys want to ask anything or just leave a remark. Do that. I will try to respond to all the comments. I don't have too many subscribers at the moment, so I can do that. But yeah, man, I think that's enough said for this video. God bless you and peace out.